Hi, this is Jay Cannone from the William Rivers Real Estate Company, and it's Friday, April 17th. And the reason I'm doing this today is because I wanted to answer two questions that are most frequently asked to me. Number one I hear constantly is, Jay, how's the market? And when I mean by Jay, how's the market, I want to talk about, they're talking about prices. They're asking me if deals are falling through. They're asking me mortgaging questions. Are people still getting mortgages? And the other thing people are asking me is, Jay, how do I time it? When do I time the market? When is a good time to sell my home? Well, number one is I want to start off with talking about Trumbull statistics right now, okay? From April 1st to April 17th, Trumbull has had 11 new active listings come onto the market. We've actually had 10 properties take deposits from April 1st, and we've had 13 closings in Trumbull this year, opposed to 17 last April in the same time frame. So 13 this year, 17 last year. As you can see, our closings are down slightly. But we do have 90 active listings on the market right now. The town of Fairfield has had 27 new listings hit the market since April 1st. We've actually had 20 listings take a deposit since April 1st, and we've had 25 closings since April 1st. 38 last year during the same time frame. So the market, we're down actually 13 closings in the town of Fairfield, but we do have 376 active listings right now. Nationally, they're saying that our inventory is down 27%. 27%. There's 5 things that you folks could be doing right now to stay ahead of the curve, to get your property ready to hit the market, and hit the market running. I can go through all five of those things right now, but I don't want to drag this on very long. What I'd like to do with you people is if you want, please set up a 15 to a 30-minute Zoom meeting with me. Text me, email me, direct message me, however you want to reach me, and I'll send you a link, and we can chat face-to-face and set up, like I said, a 15 to a 30-minute meeting and talk about your own personal situation. One more thing before I go is one thing I've been observing lately is that I've been getting a lot of phone calls from buyers, people that are looking in our area. And many people are coming from the New York, Westchester, Queens area. And I think this is going to be a tremendous thing in the very near future. And I think it's also going to, again, this is my opinion, but I think it's going to help our higher end market here in Trumbull, our $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 market. I think a lot of these people are going to be leaving the city. They're going to be coming to the Trumbull area, and I think they're going to be gobbling up that high end market. Just something to keep in mind. So I just want to wrap it up by saying once again how thankful I am, and how my prayers go out to everybody that's out there right now that's in doctors and nurses and people that are in the grocery stores and the pharmacies and everybody that's helping feed us and deliver food to us and anybody that's helping serve us. I really want to thank you very, very much from the bottom of my heart for all that you're doing to help us through these very difficult times. And I also want to extend my prayers to those who are affected by this Corona-19 virus too. Once again, thank you very much for listening, and enjoy your day.